How to reply to messages in Wire Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in Wire Messenger and want to reply to a specific message, then you can use the reply feature. First of all, open the Wire Messenger app on your device and go ahead and make sure that you're logged in. Now open up a conversation containing the message you want to reply. And now go ahead and press and hold the message on your device and click on reply. Now, type in your response in the message box at the bottom. After you do that, click on this little airplane icon at the bottom right to send in the reply. Your reply will appear linked to the original message, making it easier for everyone in the conversation to follow the discussion. So that's it, you've successfully replied to a message in Wire Messenger. Using replies is a great way to keep chats clear and organized, especially in busy group conversations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.